Hey guys, it's Rob. We're back. We're going to do another Proving Grounds practice machine. This time we're going to be doing a machine called CVE 2024-25180. It's a Linux machine. It's worth 10 points and it's rated as intermediate. Now I have to say I thought this machine was extremely easy. I'm kind of surprised by the intermediate rating. And this is going to be a really short video. They literally tell you the CVE that you need to use or exploit to root the machine. So as you can see, I am connected to Offsec VPN, and I do have the CVE machine spun up, and you can see its IP address right there. First thing, as always, we ran a Nmap scan, and only two things came back. Port 22, which is always a waste of time, 99.9% of the time. And then port 1234, some kind of HTTP running Node.js Express framework. Doesn't really give you a whole lot of information. So the next thing that we did was we went to the IP address on the port, and it looks like it's running software called PDF Make. So first thing I did was search for exploits on PDF Make, and of course this CVE kept popping up. So then I looked for CVEs in the GitHub repositories for this exploit. So if you look, this guy has a bash script for this particular CVE. I will include a link in the description below to this. It is a very simple script. It literally is printing a banner and then using a curl statement to exploit the vulnerability that is described in the CVE. So what we need to do is supply this script 4 arguments, command line arguments. One is the machine that we are attacking, the port that the PDF Make software is running on, and then our local attack machine, or the port we want to have the remote reverse shell connect back to. So just keep that in mind. You're going to want to click the download the raw code. It's going to download the code. And then what I had done really was I just created a folder, because I like to keep these things organized with the CVE number. We go into it. We do a open terminal here, and we do a chmod plus X on the script to make it executable. We can confirm it's executable by typing ls, and you can see it's a nice cyan color on my system. And then if you remember, there was literally 4 arguments that we need to supply. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on a new terminal, and I'm going to do netcat nlvp on all 6s. And we're going to hit enter. Then we're going to go back to the CVE, and we're going to basically run it. So we're going to do CVE, and if you look, I have the CVE, the machine that we're attacking, the CVE box, and then I have the port that the PDF Make software is running on, which is 1234. And then you can see I have my attack machine's IP address on all 6s. So when we hit enter, it looks like it's not doing anything, but we have a root shell. Okay, so we can do cd root, and then we can cat proof.txt. Done. Flag. You have the root flag, and we're done. So like I said, I struggled to understand how this machine was rated as an intermediate. I've done machines that were rated as easy that were way harder than this. They literally tell you what CVE to use, or that you're going to have to find an exploit for. So essentially, I thought it was an easy box. I thought it was fun. It didn't take me very long at all. Literally, probably less than 10 minutes from start to finish to exploit this box. So anyway, hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching. I will put all the links in the description below. If you have any comments, questions, criticisms, please feel free to drop them below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks and take care.